Well, Suhr NWA did just end today,
yes.
so you won't be able to go up in air balloons, but it looks like they had a great time, and I'm sure so many others who were out there that got to experience that enjoyed it as well. It was a hot one.
Oh my, yes. It was hot yesterday, it was hot today, and it's going to continue to be hot as we get into the upcoming week, folks. Unfortunately, yeah, that little taste of fall we had is long in the rearview mirror. 99 today in Fayetteville, 2 off the record set back in 2006. That's where we're at. We're in the record territory now, and we will be throughout the week. Fort Smith also very, very warm as well. 102, 5 off the record of 107 set back in 2011. I think most of us would take that nice, comfortable 57-degree morning low that they had in 1976. Tomorrow, the heat continues to build in. The worst of the heat actually continues to build in with the most extreme temperatures and heat indices as well, which is why excessive heat warning for the River Valley and points south, northwest Arkansas, thankfully at a higher elevation, which is why they're under a heat advisory. But as the days grow warmer and if not hotter, we'll see if everybody gets put under that excessive heat warning over the next couple of days. Now, outside right now, it's warm. We're in the 80s across northwest Arkansas. Winslow, though, cooling down to 75. River Valley, same thing, a couple of upper 70s. Thankfully, the saving grace has been those clear skies and light winds. That's allowing all that heat from the daytime to radiate back up into the atmosphere. Very tropical dew points right now, mid to upper 70s in some locations. That air just feels very, very thick. It kind of punches you in the face when you walk outside. Tonight, nice and quiet throughout the rest of the night. Upper 80s and lower 90s, as you saw there with our temperatures. And then by tomorrow morning, only upper 70s and lower 80s for the most part. Really no problems. This is bad radar data, I believe, because you notice the storms come in and then they kind of go back out the other direction, which doesn't make any sense. So ignore that. There will be no rain tomorrow. And then by 7 a.m. Monday, also very, very warm. Now, all the eyes in the weather community are basically on Hurricane Hillary right now, continuing to weaken now 90 miles an hour, continuing to slide off toward the northwest, toward Baja California and the Baja Peninsula here. Expected to stay pretty close to the coastline. And then actually it appears as though this track has shifted just slightly to the east. It'll basically ride the coast here and really dump a tremendous amount of rainfall over Southern California in the tune of 2 to 5+ inches. Many locations within here, very rural, very desert locations, but they could see a year's worth of rainfall in about 24 hours. So catastrophic flooding looks likely for those folks over the next day or so, unfortunately. 70s tonight, very, very mild. And then tomorrow, a scorcher. There's no sugarcoating that. Very, very hot, triple-digit heat, and that sticks around. Notice we've put the records on almost every day, so you can see just how close we're going to come to breaking, if not breaking, record highs almost every day through the next week. Same thing in the River Valley. Record-setting heat looks likely as we go through the next at least 5 days. Maybe we cool off by next weekend. We are going to check the sports world with Meredith Mulkey. She's coming up after the break.